Assalamualaikum class 4. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So class, today is 6th of December 2021 and the day is Monday. So in this lesson we will revise multiplication involving fractions. Fine, which we have done in our previous lesson. We will revise it. Fine, I am going to write multiplication involving fractions. Fine. So first of all, I have a whole number which is 35. And there is a sign of multiplication. Then I have a number which is, I have a fraction which is 1 by 7. So who will tell me what would we do in this kind of fraction when we have multiplication is in between? What would we do when we have at first place which is a whole number and then there is a sign of multiplication, then we have a fraction? So what would we do? What steps we will take to solve this? Yes, Amar, you tell me. Very good. First of all, in next step we will write as it is like this, which is 35, then there is a sign of multiplication and then we have a fraction which is 1 by 7. Fine. Now, as usual class, we have a whole number. So, when we have a whole number and on the other side we have a fraction, so in very to make the fraction which is whole number, we will write 1 in denominator. अगर हमने किसी होल नंबर को फ्रैक्शन बनाना है तो हम क्या करते हैं? We will simply write 1 in denominator. Fine. Now, as you look here, we have two fractions. The first one is 35 by 1 and the other one is 1 by 7. Now, what would we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? जब हमारे पास दो फ्रैक्शंस आ जाते हैं तो हम उनकी कैसे मल्टीप्लिकेशन करेंगे? Who will tell me? Yes, Azan, you tell me. Very good. We will simply multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Fine. Now I am going to solve it and you have to listen class very carefully. As you know, it is very clear, we have a fraction which is 35 by 1. We have this fraction which is at first place and the second place we have a fraction which is 1 by 7. And also we also know the numerator portion in first fraction is 35. Fine. And denominator is 1. Very good. And the numerator of the second fraction, who will tell me? Yes, Hamza, you tell me what is the numerator portion in second fraction? 1. Very good. Now, Hadia, you tell me what is the denominator in second fraction? Very good. 7. So we will simply multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator because it is the rule of multiplication involving fractions. जब भी हमारे पास fractions involve होते हैं और उनमें multiplication involve होती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम numerator को numerator के साथ multiply करते हैं और denominator को denominator के साथ. Now I am going to write. You have to look very carefully. 35 multiplied by 1. Then there is a sign of fraction. Fine. And in denominator portion we will write the first number which represents the first denominator part, and there is a sign of multiplication, and then we will write 7 which denotes or which represents second denominator, second portion of denominator of fraction which is at second place. Now simply we will write 35 into 1 which is in numerator portion and 1 into 7 which is in denominator portion. Now after multiplication we have 35 one times. Who will tell me? Yes, Ahmad, you tell me. 35 into 1. Very good. 35 one times is 35. I will write here. There is a sign of fraction I am going to write here. Now 1 into 7. Who will tell me? Yes, Hania, you tell me. 1 into 7 is 7. Very good. Any number when you will multiply with a non-zero number, fine. So you have a number which is non-zero. किसी भी नंबर को अगर आप 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करते हो जो कि नॉन जीरो हो, तो वो वही आंसर आएगा जो कि वही होगा जिसके साथ आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो. ठीक है. सो 1 7 टाइम्स इज 7. Now as you know class, we have a fraction in the end is 35 by 7. So in this step we will look both numbers are divided by 7 or not. हमने अब इसके बाद क्या करना है, हमने देखने कि क्या दोनों एक टेबल पे डिवाइड हो सकते हैं. Should it divide on a same table? Yes, because 7 1 times 7 and 7 5 times is 35. How many times we will multiply to get 35? 5. So I am going to cut it. 7 1 times 7 and 7 5 times is 35. So we have 5 in the end. Fine. Now I am going to repeat it. You have to listen very carefully. In previous class we have done multiplication involving fraction. If we have a whole number which is at first place, which is 35, and then we have multiplication sign, and then we have a fraction here which is 1 by 7. So what would we do? We will simply write in next step as it is, then we will make a fraction which is a whole number. So here we have 35. फाइन. अब हमने तो इसको होल बनाने, तो हम क्या करेंगे? बाय राइटिंग 1 इन डिनोमिनेटर. सो वी हैव 35 by 1 विल मेक आफ्टर राइटिंग 1 इन डिनोमिनेटर टू मेक अ फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है. अब हमने एक फ्रैक्शन बनाना था, सो दैट्स वाई वी विल राइट 1 इन डिनोमिनेटर. Then we have multiplication sign and we have another fraction which is already we have, which is 1 by 7. In next step we will multiply numerator with numerator, which is 35 into 1, and there is a sign of fraction. I will write fraction sign, and then the same thing I will do in denominator portion. I will multiply denominator parts also. Fine, because there is a sign of multiplication. In next step you will multiply and after multiplication we have 35 by 7. After writing the whole term into a fraction, after writing the whole procedure, you have a fraction which is 35 by 7. Now you will see if both numbers which are present in numerator or denominator are cut on a same table or not. So यहाँ पर तो हो रहा है, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 7 1 times 7 and 7 5 times is 35. So 5 is in the end. We have 5 in the end. Fine class? Okay. So this is how we will multiply when we have at first position is a whole number and at second position at a fraction. अब इसका vice versa भी देख लेते हैं. When we have at first place is fraction and at the second place is at whole. So 84 multiplied by, this is a whole part, we have 3 by 4 multiplied by 14. हमारे पास क्या है? 3 by 4, then we have a multiplication sign and then we have a number which is 14. As you know class, 14 is a whole number. Fine. So हम next step में क्या करेंगे? We will write in fraction. So fraction में लिखने के लिए we will simply write or we will simply make the whole number to fraction. We will write 1 in denominator. ऐसे ही करते हैं. Am I right? Fine. Now in next step I am going to write 3 by 4 which is as it is, which is fraction part. Then there is a sign of multiplication I will write below here. Now we have a whole number. I will write 14 as it is and I will write 1 in denominator. Now here we have two fractions and there is a sign of multiplication. So what would we do? अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will simply multiply numerator with the numerator and denominator with denominator. As you look class, we have at first place is 3 by 4 which is a fraction, and at the second place which is also a fraction, after writing 1 in denominator we have 14 by 1. Now in next step we will simply multiply 3 into 14 and 4 into 1. Now I am going to write it. 3 multiplied by 14 and 4 multiplied by 1. So 3 multiplied by 14. First of all we will do it. The multiplication portion. 4 3 times is 12. 2 digit number. So ये आपको पता है rule. The number which is at right place we will write here and 1 as a carry. Now 3 1 times 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have, after doing the whole procedure, we have 42. Fine. And in denominator we have 4. Fine class. So the next fraction will become, after solving the numerator portion and denominator portion, we have 42 by 4. Fine. Now 42 by 4. As you look class, in numerator we have at unit place is 2. So ये हमने rule पढ़ा था divisibility का. If the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, the given number is divisible by 2. Fine. As you look in denominator part, we have only one number and which represents the unit place, which is 4. So ये भी अब 4 है. तो ये भी कट हो सकते हैं 2 के टेबल पे. Who will tell me? Yes, Anas, you tell me. Should it cut on the same table? 42 and 4. Very good. By 2. Because the rule of divisibility for number 2 is the unit place ended with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. तो अब यहाँ पे ऊपर पोर्शन में क्या आ रहा है? 2 and in down we have 4. 2 2 times 4, 2 2 times and 2 1 times. We have 21 by 2. Fine. 21 by 2. Now class, in the end we will write 21 inside the division and outside the division we will write 2. अब ये जो फ्रैक्शन है हमारे पास, जो कि एक स्लैश से सेपरेट है, उसको हम फ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं. और अगर आपको पता हो, मैंने आपको इतनी दफ़ा ये बात बताई है, I have tell you how many times, which is the number which is present in numerator we simply write inside the division. Fine. It doesn't matter how bigger it is and how smaller it is. Fine. You will always write inside the division, which is 21, and outside the division you will write 2. Now I am going to solve it. I will read the table of 2 to get the nearest number, which is 21. So 2 10 times is 20. We have 1 in denominator. So as you look, 1 is smaller than 2, 1 is smaller than 2. So 1 is smaller than divisor. So अब क्या करेंगे हम? We will simply shift this at here. 1 will be there and 10 will be here. We will starting a cycle of shifting the numbers when we have a number which is at remainder place is smaller than divisor. जब हमारे पास ये छोटा हो जाएगा नंबर डिवाइजर से, तब हम उसकी शिफ्टिंग करते हैं नंबर्स की, और वो शिफ्ट किस प्लेस में होता है? डिवाइजर विल बी shift into remainder, remainder will be shift into quotient, and quotient will be shift into divisor. So the next fraction after solving this, we have a mixed number which is 2, 1 and 10. We have 10 1 by 2. Fine class. Now we have another fraction in which multiplication is involving. Let's take another example. We have 1 by 3, then there is a sign of multiplication. Now in this case class, we have already two fractions. So it is very easy case. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? Simply हमारे पास दो fractions हैं. We will apply the rule of multiplication, which is numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator will multiply by denominator. So I am going, if you look, we have two fractions. अगर आप देखो तो आपके पास दो fractions हैं. The first one is 1 by 3. In 1 by 3, the numerator portion is 1 and denominator we have 3. And in next fraction we have 1 by 5. So in 1 by 5, who will tell me which is numerator and which is denominator? Yes, Shumaima, you tell me. Very good. 1 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Now, I am going to multiply. 1 will be multiplied by 1 and 3 will be multiplied by 5. So in the end we have 1 times is 1 and 3 5 times is 15. So 1 by 15 is my answer, which we have right in the end. Fine. We have another example which is 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 2 by 5, 4 by 7. So अब इसमें हम क्या करेंगे? We have two fractions. We will simply multiply. As you look, we have two fractions. The first one is 2 by 5 and the numerator part in 2 by 5 is 2 and in denominator we have 5. In next fraction, which is 4 by 7, we have numerator part is 4 and denominator part is 7. And there is a sign of multiplication in between. So जब भी दो fractions हमारे पास proper होंगे, proper दो fractions होंगे, मतलब एक whole नहीं होगा, दोनों whole हमारे पास fractions होंगे और उसमें sign होगा multiplication का. So हम क्या करेंगे? We will simply multiply numerator part with the numerator and denominator with denominator. Now I am going to multiply 2 into 4. 2 multiplied by 4 and in denominator we have 5 into 7. So after solving 2 into 4 we have 8 and 5 into 7 is 35. So class we have 8 by 35. ये अब कट हो सकते हैं 8 by 35? No, because both are different. Both will not be cut on a same table. दोनों एक same table पे कट नहीं हो सकते. So we will leave here. फाइन. अब ये कोई जो है इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन तो नहीं था. इम्प्रॉपर के लिए हमने क्या जो है वो प्रॉपर्टीज पढ़ी थी कि अगर डिनोमिनेटर छोटा होगा और न्यूमरेटर बड़ा होगा, इफ न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन डिनोमिनेटर वी विल सिंपली चेंज इनटू मिक्स नंबर, बट यहाँ पे तो ऐसी सिचुएशन नहीं है. वी हैव 8/35 विच इज प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. ठीक है, तो अब इसको हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते. सो वी विल लीव इट एंड वी हैव 8/35 इन द एंड. So class, this is all which is related to multiplication involving fractions. You have to practice related examples and questions which are given in your book. This is all. Thank you. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me. Allah Hafiz.